What's up, guys? Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my basement furnace in less than 10 minutes. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share just about anything DIY. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, before we get into this video, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Jay over at Word of Advice TV for all the awesome videos that he produces. And I'll put a link to the video that I watched to help me fix this furnace in the description below. Okay, let's do this. Okay, y'all, please excuse the mess here. This is, that unit back there in the back is my basement unit. And that one right there is the upstairs or main floor unit, and then there's one up in the attic for the upstairs. But here is the thermostat. Your unit from the circuit board will actually send power to your thermostat. Then when you turn your thermostat up or set it to where you want heat, it'll send us what's called a call for heat back to your unit, and then that's when everything starts. And I'm gonna have to open this up. You can hear it running right now. When I open this up, it's going to shut it off because there is a switch in there that will shut the unit off. Anyways, let's open it up. Okay, so I got a 5/16 little nut driver, I guess you would call it. And I'm going to take this one and this one off right here. And like I said, it'll shut that unit off. I actually turned the thermostat down a little, hoping it would shut it off, but it hadn't shut off yet. Okay, I'm going to try to remember, I'm going to try to remember the sequence now. I know the first thing that's supposed to come on is this motor right here, and he called it an inducer motor or a venting motor. And then from there, there's these pressure switches will let the unit know that there's actually air flowing through the unit. So if there is indeed air flowing through it, then it'll signal will go to the igniter, which I can't really see it right now. It's one of those up there. Oh, it's that thing. That thing right back there is the igniter, and it'll start glowing. So that thing starts glowing, and then there's a sensor that goes to the gas. The gas will start. It'll start flowing. And then it ignites, of course, and there's a sensor letting it know that that there is actually a spark, or that there is a flame, actually. But anyways, long story short, I came in here after watching his video, and like I said, the first thing that's supposed to come on is this inducer motor or ventilating motor, and it wasn't coming on. So the very first thing is not working. Well, actually, I didn't get as far as to try to find out what could cause it to stop working. But I noticed this hose right here going to it. So I pulled this hose off, and this is crazy. I pulled this hose off and blew through it, and water or some kind of liquid came out of it. And I shook it off and tried to get everything out of it, and then I plugged it back in, and I said, surely not. Surely it's not that easy. And I went over and I turned on the heat and held the cutoff switch with my thumb. Well, the first thing that came on was this daggum thing right here come on. And then I was like, oh, no way. And then all of a sudden I saw the glow or the igniter start glowing, and I was like, you got to be kidding me. And then I heard a few clicks, and next thing I know, the gas came and it lit up. I couldn't believe it. Anyways, the most important thing about this is the sequence of operation. The very first thing in the sequence of operation, well, pretty close to the first thing anyways, was the inducer motor not working. So I was able to fix it. I had that thing going in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so I just want to show you this thing start up. Come on, baby. Oh, there it goes. The inducer fan or inducer motors come on. Okay, now it's has a sensor and it'll tell it that it came on, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is the igniter in there. It should start glowing any second now. Oh, there it goes. It start glowing. Now gas is going to be sent to, once that's lit, there it goes. There's the gas. All right. Anyways, there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.